Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavats Pranam. Prabhu, first you told that we are not this body, we are the spirit soul. That's the first step. And followed by that, if a person realizes that, he gains a spiritual master. I hope that's correct, wisdom readings. So there are so many people like they know that they are not this body and they are the spirit soul, at least as age advances, when they are crossing their 40s or 50s, and they go to some temple of their choice based on their consciousness, and they attend the regular deity worships there. But for a long time, even after they are practicing for years, like 5-6 years, they are not able to gain a bona fide spiritual master. Like they stay in that. So what makes them stagnant there? Like, I'm not telling they are surrendering right to Krishna. Yes, they have the Krishna bhakti, but they'll be surrendering to some demigods or some Govinda, some like Narasimha, some people Govinda. But they go for deity worship, but they don't move towards the second step of gaining a bona fide spiritual master. Yet, even to get that first step, that I'm not the body but the spirit soul, spiritual master is still there. Some spiritual master is there, but they are not able to identify. The some bona fide spiritual master is backing them up. Okay, that was my personal experience, because I saw Prabhupada even before, I could recognize that Prabhupada was in my life a decade ago, even before I surrendered to him through my father. And then I got to know it was Prabhupada playing the Leela in my life. But how to make the people who are just in deity worship not moving to the second step, like first is what is making them not moving to the second step, recognizing, and the thing as a little neophyte preachers to whatever extent we know, how can we help those people to move forward towards connecting them to bona fide spiritual master?
Actually, the quest for the absolute truth or quest for God is the beginning of spiritual life, yes. But generally, the material conception most of us have is that I can use my senses, my mind, my intelligence, or I can gather knowledge and I can realize, I can understand, I can comprehend what the absolute truth is. When we come to the stage that it is not possible for me to know or to realize the absolute truth by my own senses, my endeavors, my senses, my mind, my intelligence, I cannot. That is when you feel the need for another person, another help at least. So, a sincere seeker is guided by the Paramatma within the heart. So scriptures say, by the mercy of Paramatma we get Guru, and by the mercy of Guru we realize Paramatma, God. So they have to come to the stage where they understand their inability or their limitation. We are limited, we are very, very tiny, we are insignificant. So there is no possibility on my own, either individually or even collectively, we can ever comprehend or realize or understand what the truth is, absolute truth is. So all those who understand the need for accepting a spiritual master have realized their limitation. So until they accept their limitation or inability, they will not feel the need for a spiritual master.